How is everyone doing today? Today I have a new package that I just got in the mail from Nail Addict LA to show you guys. It came with 3 gel polishes, a gel base, remover, and top coat. I've never used the remover before, so I'm intrigued by it. That's going to be a different video because I'm not going to use that in today's video. But here are the 3 application polishes, and then here is the 3 different polishes. They sent me a light blue, a light pink, and a white polish. They said that these are their best sellers, so I like that. And pink and blue are some of my favorite colors, so I'm really into it. They also sent me this awesome product. I was really shocked. It is a nail lamp, and it is super duper adorable. Of course, looking from the box, it's super duper adorable. And some of the features that it has is it's a UV LED lamp. It is 48 watts, so you know it's going to cure your stuff. And it comes in the color white, so it matches most of my bedroom or my nail room. So like I said, UV and LED, so you don't have to worry if your stuff is going to cure properly or not, because it does both. So the power cord has a different input than I'm used to from my other LED lights, and it's shorter than my other ones. Just a note, so if you have to plug it in super far away, you might need an extension plug. It has a nice white glossy finish to it. It's very shiny, as you can see it reflect with my light. It is pretty compact, so it's not as large as a different lamp that I have, and the bottom of it is removable. So if you do gel polish on toes, this is an awesome feature. So you can put this on and off so you can fit your feet under there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug this in and turn it on and see how it works. Oh, I didn't show you guys the little buttons here, the time settings. So there's a 60-second, a 30-second, and a 15-second, and also half power 90-second button. So I'm just going to plug it in, okay? Now I'm going to swatch the 3 colors that they sent me. Here is the pure white, and I'm going to swatch them and test them out in the nail lamp and see if it works to its full capability. I want to see if it works, obviously, and if it cures the polish like I like it. Pink has to be my favorite alongside with the blue, but this color, it picks up more mauve on my camera, but I promise it's more of a bubblegum pink in person. So their swatch label online is pretty accurate to what it looks like in real life. And I'm so sorry I didn't get to do a full swatch on camera of this. Someone decided to call me and my camera cut out, so I'm super sorry about that. But to get into the end of the video, here are all the products. So the 3 colors they sent me and the nail lamp. I really liked them all together. I think they all worked amazing. And here are the 3 colors in natural daylight inside my house next to a window. I think they're gorgeous, and Nail Addict LA has a huge range of gel polishes on their website. I have a lot of these. I'll show you guys later, but these are some of the creamiest gel polishes I've ever used, and I'm excited to get more colors. And if you guys want to save some money, I'm going to have a discount code in the description box for you guys to save some money. So here are the colors that I own. I did a video with this set a couple weeks back. And then I did a video with this set back in March. So if you guys want to check that out, click on the cards. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you next time.